In this video you are going to learn Six Sigma. Topics I have discussed in this video are: what is Six Sigma? Understanding of Six Sigma methodology, key principles of Six Sigma, and Six Sigma levels. Let's start the video. Six Sigma is a quality control method, developed by American engineer Bill Smith, while working at Motorola in 1986. The method uses a data-driven review to limit mistakes or defects in a corporate or business process. In other words, the Six Sigma system is a method to work faster with fewer mistakes. Nowadays, Six Sigma has evolved into a more general business management philosophy, focused on meeting customer requirements, improving customer retention, and sustaining products and services. Six Sigma applies to all industries. Many vendors, including Motorola itself, offer Six Sigma training with special certifications carrying the names of Yellow Belt, Green Belt, and Black Belt. Understanding of Six Sigma. In statistical analysis, the Greek letter sigma is used to denote a standard deviation from the mean. It's a statistical benchmark. Any business process, which is achieving Six Sigma produces less than 3.4 defects per 1 million chances, is considered efficient. Let's understand Six Sigma by this figure. This straight line is the mean line, represents by mu equals to 0. With the horizontal axis showing distance from the mean, denoted in units of standard deviation, which is represented as sigma. The upper and lower specification limits are at a distance of 6 sigma from the mean. Even if the mean were to move right or left by 1.5 standard deviations, or 1.5 sigma, there is still a safety caution. If your process is behaving between 6 sigma, that means your upper and lower specification limit is on 6 sigma, you will be able to produce less than 3.4 defects per 1 million parts. If I make a comparison between 3 sigma and 6 sigma, we can see defects per million is 66,807 in the case of 3 sigma, and defects per million are only 3.4 with 6 sigma. Now come to Six Sigma methodology. Six Sigma projects follow 2 project methodologies: Six Sigma DMAIC, and Six Sigma DMADV. Each term's name is derived from the major steps in its process, but each has its own use. Let's break down Six Sigma DMAIC step by step. 1. Define, identify the project goals and all customer deliverables. 2. Measure, understand current performance. 3. Analyze, determine root causes of any defects. 4. Improve, establish ways to eliminate defects and correct the process. 5. Control, manage future process performance. The DMAIC methodology should be used when an existing product or service is not meeting customer needs, or performing to its highest standards. It is used to correct a process. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of Six Sigma DMADV. The first 3 steps, define, measure, and analyze, are identical to DMAIC. Number 4 is design, create a process that meets customer needs and expectations. 5. Verify, ensure process designed meets customer needs and performs adequately. The DMADV methodology should be used when an organization is developing a new product or service, or when using DMAIC for a current project or process fails. What are the key principles of Six Sigma? Number 1. Focus on the customer. The primary goal of every business is to bring maximum benefit to the customer. In order to do that, a business needs to understand its customers, their needs, and what drives sales or establishes loyalty to their brand. Number 2. Use data. Collect data to identify the specific problem area that is needed to be addressed or transformed. Businesses need to clarify goals for data collection, including defining the data to be collected. After ensuring the accuracy of measurements, establish a standardized data collection system. 3. Improve continuously. Once the problem is identified, make changes to the process to eliminate variation, thus removing defects. Remove the activities in the process that do not add to the customer value. Taking out the junk, bottlenecks from the process and improve continuously. 4. Involve people. Involve all stakeholders. Adopt a structured process, where your team contributes and collaborates their varied expertise for problem solving. Six Sigma processes can have a great impact on an organization, so the team has to be proficient in the principles and methodologies used. 5. Flexible and responsive work environment. The nature of Six Sigma is business transformation and change. When a faulty or inefficient process is removed, it calls for a change in the work practice and employee approach. The people and departments involved should be able to adapt to change with ease. So to facilitate this, they should design processes for quick and seamless adoption. Six Sigma levels or certification. All Six Sigma processes are executed by the following: Six Sigma white belts, Six Sigma yellow belts, Six Sigma green belts, Six Sigma black belts, and Sigma programs are overseen by a Six Sigma master black belt. White belt is the simplest stage where a newcomer can join. Here, they work with teams on problem-solving projects, and understand the basic Six Sigma concepts. In yellow belt, the participant takes part as a project team member. They reviews process improvements, and gain understanding of the various methodologies. Six Sigma Green Belt requires a minimum of 3 years of full-time employment, understanding of the tools and methodologies used for problem solving. They have to help Black Belt projects in data collection and analysis, and lead Green Belt projects or teams. Black Belt should have work experience in core knowledge area, and complete a minimum of 2 Six Sigma projects. Their role is to lead diverse teams in problem-solving projects, and give training to project teams. To reach the Master Black Belt level, the candidate must have received a Black Belt certification, have a minimum of 5 years of full-time employment, and they should complete a minimum of 10 Six Sigma projects. They have to be worked as an organization's Six Sigma technologist, and internal business transformation advisor. If you want to read in details or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If you find the video helpful and informative, give us a like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.